Okay, just going to have a look at this video. Look at this question, where it's asking you to express negative x squared plus 2x minus 5 in turning point form. So let's have a look at this. Most students are sort of comfortable with completing the square, but when you sort of got negatives or numbers out the front, so let's have a look. So we've got negative x squared plus 2x minus 5. Okay, so firstly, we want to get rid of the negative out the front, so we only have to deal with sort of positive x squared, so with 1 out the front. So I'm just going to write that as negative out the front, and then x squared minus 2x. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close the bracket way over here, and then write my negative 5 way out the back. So at the moment, I haven't changed the value of anything at all. Now, let's have a think about this inside bit here. How do I complete the square here? And so half of negative 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. So if I want to complete the square, I need to add 1 here. That will make a perfect square. But I'm not allowed to just add 1 there. I need to also subtract 1 as well, so that I haven't changed the overall value of the whole expression. So what I can do now is just do a few things. So I'm just going to do, in fact, I'll do a square sort of bracket sort of show you. Because then I've got, what I've got is I've got x minus 1 squared. So that's all of that becomes x minus 1 squared. That's the whole reason we did everything. And then we've got this minus 1 here. And then minus 5 out there, at the back there, okay? And so what we want to do is get rid of these square brackets. And so what we could do is we'll have negative, and then we'll have x minus 1 squared, like that. But we're going to take this negative 1 and we're going to like drop it outside, okay? We've still got to, effectively, we're going to expand that and to take it outside of that square root. So we're effectively expanding brackets here. And so what's negative times negative 1? That'll be positive 1, and then we've still got that negative 5 out the end. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. That doing that jump is always a tricky bit for students. So negative negative 1 out the front, and times negative 1 in there is positive 1 when we expand out that negative. Okay, and then we're done. And so it'll just be x minus 1 squared plus 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So that is now in turning point form, like the a, like there, a bracket x plus b squared plus c. And hence we need to state the coordinates of the turning point. So the turning point will be 1, negative 4. Hope that makes sense. See you in the next video.